Question. Please state your personal data and qualifications as an expert witness in question document examination.
Good day, Your Honor. I am Prince Charles Lim Orot and I am a question document examiner, presently assigned at the Forensic Group Regional Office. As part of my duties, I conduct forensic examinations involving question documents, handwriting analysis, signature verification, counterfeit detection, and document authentication. I have undergone specialized training in forensic document examination and the proper use of scientific methods and laboratory instruments used in document analysis. Through my experience, training, and participation in forensic examinations, I am qualified to render expert findings and testimony regarding question document evidence presented before this honorable court. Question number 2. How did you receive the evidence specimen as part of the Forensic Group Regional Office? The evidence specimen was officially received by our office through proper forensic evidence handling procedures. Upon receipt, the specimen was properly marked, labeled, documented, and recorded in the evidence logbook to preserve its identity and integrity. I personally ensured that the document was handled with care to prevent contamination, alteration, or destruction of possible evidentiary value. The chain of custody was strictly observed from the time the specimen was received until the completion of the laboratory examination. After documentation and inventory, the specimen was subjected to forensic document examination procedures for analysis and comparison. Question number 3. Question number 3. How do you use the ACE-V methodology in your specimen examination process? In the examination of the question specimen, I apply the ACE-V method, which stands for analysis, comparison, evaluation, and verification. During the analysis phase, I examine the individual characteristics present in the question document, including handwriting, style, line, quality, slant, spacing, pen pressure, stroke formation, and other identifying features. I also inspected the specimen for possible alterations, erasures, simulations, or counterfeit indicators using forensic examination tools. During the comparison phase, I compared the question document with the known standard specimens submitted for examination. I carefully analyzed the similarities and differences between specimens based on their individual and class characteristics. In the evaluation phase, I assessed whether the observed findings were significant enough to establish authenticity, identify possible forgery, or determine the authorship of the document. Lastly, during the verification phase, the findings and conclusions were reviewed and confirmed to ensure accuracy, consistency, and reliability before issuing the final forensic report. Based on the scientific examination conducted using the ACE-V method, I was able to arrive at a professional conclusion regarding the question specimen submitted to our office. Based on the scientific examination conducted using the ACE-V method, I was able to arrive at a professional conclusion regarding the question specimen submitted to our office.